Hey, gorgeous ones. Okay, so it's kind of late and I need to take this makeup off, but then I said, wait a minute. I try to do I like to get like 2 videos out of a makeup look. I'm just being honest. So I was like about to braid my hair down. I was like, girl, you got a video to do. And guess which one it is? You asked for it. I know it's been a minute since I did one of my IDGADs. I don't give a damn, but right now I got a list. And I got some stuff to talk about. So if you would like to hang out for my IDGAD, which I call it I don't give a damn about, but it's just basically an anti-haul. So if you want to see my anti-haul and some thoughts I have on the beauty community, stay tuned. Okay, so here we go. Let's talk about a few products out there that I saw, and I said, let's just have a little conversation about them. Let's just talk about them. All right. First thing is Pat McGrath. Now, y'all know I do like Pat McGrath. I don't own any Pat McGrath right now, but I am going to have some before the end of the year, considering that I just found out she does payments, but that's another story. But this is what I want to talk about. I want to talk about these lip balms. Now, they are $38 and they're a sheer wash of color and they're blah, blah, blah. Let me just tell y'all this. I am not going to pay $38 for anything that you call a lip balm. That's like a colored lip balm. If I'm going to spend $38 on a lip balm, it's going to plump my lips. For $38, when I put this on, my lips should be plumper, fuller. There should not be every line should be filled in. My lip, when people see my lips, they should sing out to them, aren't I beautiful? Because a $38 lip balm is insane. And here's my problem with that, is that her regular price for her lipsticks are $38, which are highly pigmented. And then you want me to pay the same price for a lip balm? No, ma'am. Sister, because you ain't auntie to me. You sister, because we're about the same age. Sister, I'm not paying $38 for no lip balm. Now, I'll pay $26 from you because I give you luxury pricing. But $38 for lip balm? Oh, hell no. Not going to happen. All right, let's talk about Urban Decay Born to Run. First off, Urban Decay, you coming out with too much. You doing too much. It's like every other week y'all have something you're releasing. It's too much. And it makes everyone, including me, question your quality because they're kind of iffy now. Go back to doing things that were more iconic. That was more like, your Naked series. When you were doing the Vice palettes. You came out with them and that was that, and then you waited a few months and you came out with something new. Now y'all coming out every few weeks with something new. And let's be honest, this is a decent looking collection, but this is a fall collection. This is not a summer collection. You could have held this off and put this out in October and it would have been just fine. And you could have not put anything else because you already got the beached crap out, and then you put out that high beam, sunbeam, moonbeam, whatever beam, little silly little palette that you put out. So you could have held this off because it doesn't even look like it belongs in summertime. So no. And let's not forget, don't you buy that for full price, because we all know that Urban Decay is going to put this stuff on sale in 2 months. So just wait them out. You'll get it at half price. Because I know that's probably, if I buy it, that's what I'm buying. Because I refuse to buy any Urban Decay anymore full price. You will not catch me up on that bullshit. Nah, not anymore. All right, next up is, I don't even know why I put them in here, because I always said in my Tarte and Too Faced, they are always in people's anti-hauls. But this Flower Power collection, is it just me? I think her name is Alexis Brianna. She said the same thing. This looks almost like the Aspen Ovart collection that they just put out. And if I was Aspen, I'd be a little annoyed because this looks just like it. Now, this whole Flower Power, Mary Fairies, whatever, I don't know what this one's called again. I know I'll probably put it on the screen for y'all. But let me say this. It's just what they're doing. Let me say this. Have y'all noticed there's a pattern to these brushes they're using? I promise you, I'm telling y'all, when they don't sell in a collection, they're removing the ferrules with these bright colors on them and putting them on a new ferrule, on a new handle. That's, you know, with the new collection. Because I believe they just have stacks of these colors up, brushes, the pieces, the component, and they just stick another handle on it, and boom, that's the new collection. You're not getting us for none of those. For one thing, it's just like the same thing over and over again. And it's like, I get that Tarte has an aesthetic, but Tarte, y'all done it over and over again now. I'm going to need somebody in R&D to come up with something a little different. Just a something. We're not asking for, for you all to do a 360 and become a goth, company. We just want you all to actually see that you are doing the exact same tones over and over again. Can you lift them up? Can you add a little something? Can you do an all matte one? Come on, you did shimmers. You did do shimmers. I give you that one. Okay. Oh, let's talk Becca and Chrissy Teigen. Okay, so the first Becca and Chrissy Teigen limited edition is still available, y'all. I think it's still on Beautylish. I haven't looked recently, but the last time I looked, it was still on Beautylish, and it was still on the Becca site. But you know what we need now? We need a second run of Chrissy Teigen products. I'm sorry. If the first one never really sold out, why are we doing a second run? And now it's got this body glow oil. It's got some lip glosses. And I like Becca lip glosses. But I will wait for these to go on sale. My problem with the original Chrissy Teigen is that it still hasn't gone on sale. And that's the only way I'm going to buy it. Because the damn thing is old as hell. So y'all need to quit playing and just put it on sale. This is annoying me. But anyway, no, I'm not getting any of this. Because, and this bronzer, I don't like whirly swirly. And it's one of those ones where it's very Becca-ish, and they're, stamping things, and they've got the swirl and the 3 different colors. And no. For one thing, it looks light as fuck. I mean, light as hell. So for someone, even my complexion, I'm a medium, it doesn't even look like it's usable as a bronzer on me. I don't know what it would be. I don't know, because it doesn't, from the pictures, it looks really, even the darkest color, it looks really light. It looks like the butter bronzer or something like that, which is not made for anybody with any complexion, with any melanin. So no, I don't want the Becca. I might get the glosses when they go on sale. That's about it. I sure ain't buying them full price. Now this Sola, they've got the grease, or Solus. I don't know what the name of the company is, but they got the grease palette. See, things I don't know. I liked grease, but it's not the be all end all to me. So I'm not dying for something grease like. And I'm a Harry Potter person, but I would not buy Harry Potter makeup because I don't identify makeup with Harry Potter. Now, at least you could say with grease you could. So the next one they're coming out with is the 90210 palette. And I don't know. That kind of stuff just doesn't do it for me. I like it. I like something if it, like I bought the Alice in Wonderland, but I just like the packaging with the big butterfly. I'm not going to lie. But Grease, a bunch of pictures of them, like girls from Grease, I didn't like it enough to want to have that, and a lot of things I don't like them enough just to have them just because. It's just no, and so maybe because I'm not the collector, it's not for me. Let's just say that it's not for me. And finally, our girl Kat Von D. Now let's know that we already know that she's put out that anti-vaccination thing, which put everybody up in arms, and people were talking about boycotting her. So what did Miss Kat Von D do? She backpedaled. She got on her little bike and she backpedaled her little gothic, pilgrim wearing clothes as you can see right here, ass back and said, but I didn't mean it like that. And like we said in my videos, on my lives, we knew she was going to have to do something because she was going to have some releases coming out. And guess what? She started backpedaling right before the release of this stuff. So now these are the Metal Crush. She got an eyeliner, but I don't care about that. She's got the liquid and the powder Metal Crush highlighters coming out. And she's got something else coming out. A Lolita palette is supposed to be coming out. So I think all of a sudden, Miss Kat Von D has tried to backpedal off of her stance on anti-vaccination because it is going to affect her sales. So do I want these? I would have never got them anyway. I'm not a huge Kat Von D fan to the point that I'm just like, oh my God, I have to have it. Quite frankly, she's quite annoying as a person to me. She's very condescending. She's very snarky. I don't like her whole vibe. And sometimes because brands are so enmeshed in personalities now, I don't like her personality, so I don't buy from her that much. I have a few things from Kat Von D, but it's not like I died to go get it, and I only usually get it when I get it on sale, honestly. So let's see how these metal highlighters do. I hope everybody that said they were going to boycott her sticks to what they said, because I would just like to see some of her stuff go on sale. Like when she does that Lolita palette, I like for it to stay out there and go on sale. Because then I'll finally get a Kat Von D palette. So come on, people. Come on, people. Stand firm on your boycott. I like, so she can hit Marshalls and I can get it on sale. And then I don't feel bad. All right. Now, y'all know I like to talk about a thought and an issue in the beauty community. So here's what I want to talk about. I want to talk about the Shane Dawson effect. And if you all don't know what that is, I call it the Shane Dawson effect because, Shane Dawson and Graveyard Girl Bunny did a video where he came to see how to help her save her channel. Now, let me say, I loved that video series. It was very truthful. You could see that this was, Bunny was really reaching out, and I love that video series. However, since then, beauty YouTubers are like, you're seeing now this whole, let me tell you about myself, and and bearing their soul in ways that they weren't doing before then. Now, if you were doing it before then, because, I'm a pretty open person and I talk about things all the time, but it was before Shane Dawson effect. As a matter of fact, there's a YouTubers, they have a channel, they actually have a video talking about how could Shane Dawson save their channel. Now, mind you, they have over 1 million subscribers, and I will not name them, but it's the most hilarious thing because they're like begging for Shane Dawson basically to notice them and help them save their channel because they're having such a hard time with it because of this, and the other. And so that's one end of it, just begging for Shane Dawson's help. And then the other effect of it is, these beauty YouTubers are now trying to do more things about their inner workings and the things they're going through personally and everything. Don't get me wrong, I don't think that's bad. But I also will say that some of them was never doing that kind of stuff until after the Shane Dawson and Bunny video, which tells me that they've decided to do it based on the fact that they figure this is going to get them some more views, get them more subscribers, because they see how well it went for Bunny. So if that is your motivation, shame on you, because it's so disingenuous. And some of us are looking at it and giving you the side eye and going, really, really, really? So just be you. And if that's not who you are, and if you're a more private person, then keep those things to yourself. Keep your channel the way it normally is, or evolve it the way you choose to, but don't just throw out some videos because you figure, based on something trending like that I'm going to get on that bandwagon, because I don't know, something about getting on that bandwagon and calling yourself going to like unburden yourself to us, and you're going to show how vulnerable you are and what a real person you are when you weren't bothered with doing it before. Fuck that shit. We don't want to hear it. Bye. Oh, sorry, I'm eating. Okay, so that's it for another IDGAD. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Leave anything in the comment, any products that I missed or should I be looking at. And if you are new and you've made it this far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. It's just a polite thing to do. All right, it's your LuuLuu. Be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free. And now I'm going to go eat my dinner. Bye-bye.